Start your day right. Positivity is the vibe. Ako po si Valerie Tan, ang inyong tagapatid ng mga kwentong Pinoy Antibok dito sa iHeart PH. Sa bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, mas madali nang maramdaman ang epekto ng stress at unhealthy lifestyle. Pabata na rin ng pabata ang mga nagkakaroon ng malubhang sakit na kung tutuusin ay madaling maagapan kung na-detect sana ng maaga. Nakasanayan na kasi natin mga Pinoy na pumunta lang sa ospital kapag malala na ang kondisyon. Pero sa single mom at content creator na si Kay Ann, kalbaryo ang dinanas niyang sakit dahil lumabas lang ito nang siya ay mabuntis.
Nung pregnant po kasi ako, I had an autoimmune disorder called APAS. It's anti-phospholipid syndrome. And autoimmune siya and it's more of like an allergic reaction.
Bukod sa sarili, mas naging mapanganib ito sa anak niya dahil naging masela ng kanyang pagbubuntis.
Yung body ko, hindi niya tinatanggap yung anak ko. Feeling niya, virus yung baby ko. Ina-expel niya yung baby, so basically pinapatay ng immunity ko. And the other one is also sobrang thick ng blood ko na hindi makapass through yung oxygen para sa baby ko. So I needed to do heparin shots and also blood thinners para makapass through yung oxygen for my baby.
Magkahalong takot, pag-alala, at sobrang pag-iingat ang naranasan niya dahil nagkaroon na rin pala siya ng history ng miscarriage noon.
I was bedridden for the whole of 6 months. Bed rest ako because hindi ka pwede ma-stress because your body is fighting your child. So kailangan parang stress-free ka, you're in a good environment, your food as well, more rich in fiber, rich in iron kasi ngayon dugo mo din yung affected doon.
Naitawid ni Kay Ann ang mahirap na stage na ito ng motherhood. Pero kung may isang bagay siyang natutunan mula dito, yun ay mas makakabuti kung maaga nating nalalaman ang kondisyon ng ating katawan.
Prevention is better than cure, and for me, health is wealth as well. Kasi na-experience ko na siya, I was healthy growing up.
Ganito rin ang naging sitwasyon ng kanyang nanay na na-diagnose ng diabetes recently. Kaya naman ito ang naging motivation niya para sumailalim sa health screening and preventive care.
Kung i-analyze natin yung society natin sa Pilipinas, hindi talaga tayo targeted or towards sa healthcare. And because of yung economic displacement natin or yung situation natin, limited talaga ang resources ng mga Pilipino. In that way of thinking, pupunta na lang yung mga Pilipino sa hospital kapag dudugo ka na, nagsusuka.
Malayo ito sa nakaugilaan ng mga Japanese at iba pang Asians.
Yun yung mindset na gusto nating parang i-share sa lipunan, which is prevention. Kasi sa mga Japanese people, very important sa kanila yung healthy lifestyle, which unfortunately tayo bilang mga Pilipino, hindi natin binibigyan ng priority. Kung late na, tapos doon ka lang nagpatingin, mas mahirap na talagang i-treat.
In 2023, one of the world's largest LASIK surgery clinics embraced a new chapter, expanding its expertise into diagnostic and preventive care, equipped with Japanese standard medical checkups and top-of-the-line facilities to ensure the highest quality in overall health care.
I like their VIP Shinagawa doc treatments. It's very thorough siya and also it's very comprehensive. So pag sinabi naman kasi nilang Japanese style, talagang tinututukan ka talaga. And here in Shinagawa, tinutukan talaga nila ako and that's what I like about them.
In terms of blood work, may kasama siyang ibang mga thyroid function tests, mga ibang tumor markers na hindi sinasama dun sa mga normal packages. More extensive yung imaging tests, CT scan, ultrasound, pati MRI meron. May other types of VIP doc packages. May mga gastroscopy, colonoscopy, and may combined din silang both.
Mula sa pinaka-basic hanggang sa pinaka-comprehensive na health examinations, may iba-ibang health packages depende sa age, gender, medical at family history, at iba pa. Lahat ng ito na nakafocus sa early detection at prevention ng health risks na pwedeng lumabas pa ang mga sintomas in the future.
Generally, those who should avail of the VIP package, mas recommended siya around the age of 40s. Because yung VIP doc, most of it, may gastroscopy and or colonoscopy na kasama. So this is done as a screening/detection/diagnosis for colon cancer and anything lower GI problem.
Bukod sa preventive care, available din ang health packages nila for pre-employment and other diagnostic needs and second opinion services. At para masiguro ang highest degree of accuracy pagdating sa resulta, may double reading method between Filipino and Japanese doctors na available sa kanilang Platinum at VIP health packages. At subsidized accommodations sa hotel na malapit sa clinic para sa seamless transition from medical care to post-procedure recovery.
Because of the strict Japanese policies and guidelines that they practice in the Shinagawa in Japan, the results are immediate. So within 1 to 2 hours, you have all your results explained to you by the doctor.
Their facilities are top-notch and their doctors are very top-notch as well, so I choose Shinagawa. They're very thorough and their staff are so nice. They gave me Japanese meals as well and made sure that I get the best treatments and the best quality service here.
So what is the value of having a checkup like this? It's because of the feel it gives you, the atmosphere, since it's a Japanese-owned company. Everything, the layout, the way it was designed, the procedure on how you do the different parts of the checkup.
Maging proactive sa kalusugan because prevention is the best investment for a healthier and happier life.